Assalamu Alaikum. Did you know? In Islam, even small daily habits can bring big rewards from Allah.
Wash your hands. Stay clean, stay healthy, and keep your heart pure.
Splash your face. Feel fresh, ready, and confident for prayer.
Wash the dishes. Be responsible, be proud, and show care in everything.
Sweep your home. Keep it tidy, pure, and welcoming for everyone. Aim your arrow. Patience and focus lead to success every time.
Perfect shot. Just like in life, with patience and focus, we can reach our goals by Allah's help.
Play basketball. Keep your body strong, your mind sharp, and have fun.